Okay, I decided to do this one because it could be a little tricky at first. We're trying to find the volume of the composite figure. It's composed of a cone and a cylinder. We have the height of the cylinder. We can find the volume of the cylinder pretty easily, but the cone requires another step because we're missing the height of the cone. But if we pull out the slice, that triangle, we have a triangle that has, yikes, it has base 10 and it has hypotenuse 26. We can use Pythagorean theorem, just call this the height of the triangle. 10 squared plus h squared equals 26 squared. Okay, well, so 10 squared is 100 plus h squared is h squared. 26 squared, that is 676. I'm guessing this is going to be a perfect square. H squared equals 576. I'm pretty sure that's like 24 squared. Let's find out. Square root of 576. That's 24. Okay, good. So H is equal to 24. Sweet. So now we can find the volume of the cone. It's just pi r squared times height. So we do pi times r squared, which is 100, times height, which we just found out was 24, plus, okay, what's the volume of the cone? It's pi r squared, oh, sorry, this is divided by 3 because that's the cone. Okay, the volume of the cylinder now is just pi r squared times height, and the radius is again up 10, so it's pi times 100. But the height of the cone is 40. Okay, so let me tidy this up a little bit. Sorry about that. Let me erase some stuff. Okay, just so I can. Okay, all right. So pi times r squared, which r is 10, so r squared is 100, times 40. Okay, so this is the volume of the cylinder. And then this is the volume of the cone. Add together, it'll give us the volume of both. All right, it tells us to leave this in terms of pi, so we're going to have to do some nice simplification here. So first thing we can notice is that 24 over 3, that's going to simplify to 8. 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 8 times 100 is 800. So this whole thing is going to simplify to 800 times pi. Okay, this whole thing, 40 times 100, that's just going to be 4,000 pi. So this is going to simplify down to 4,800 pi. It's inches, so we're going to do inches cubed. And that's our final answer in terms of pi. So your extension question. Let me think of a good one because... Okay, so we're going to have a non-whole number height on that cone now, which is going to make this a little trickier. Just still approximate and leave it in terms of pi. So your extension is the slant height, that 26 right here. Okay, we're going to change that to be 22. And then the radius now, instead of 10, is going to be 8. So that's 8, this is 22. Now find the volume of the composite figure.